What do Paul Rudd, the Nintendo Switch 2, and your next smart money move have in common? More than you think. Okay, let's break this down. We've got Paul Rudd, ageless wonder, everyone's favorite funny guy, suddenly repping the Nintendo Switch 2. Nintendo is strategic, they think long game, so why Rudd? He embodies that same approachable, fun, but surprisingly powerful vibe that the Switch is known for. It's like, they're not even trying to be cool anymore, they are cool. If a company like Nintendo is making this kind of marketing shift, you know something big is happening. The question is, are you going to be a part of it? Or are you going to sit on the sidelines, stuck in 2020 thinking the Switch is just a toy? Now let's rewind that commercial for a second. Notice anything interesting? Look closer. Rudd isn't just smiling and holding a console, he's in the game. This points to something huge, immersive gameplay. Nintendo is sending a clear message: get on board early, or get left behind. Let's connect the dots here. Nintendo doesn't follow trends, they set them. So for them to launch the Switch 2 now, in a market flooded with tech, tells you one thing: they're confident. Remember what happened with the first Switch? It was sold out everywhere for months. People were paying ridiculous markups just to get their hands on one. And the early adopters? They were laughing. Pre-orders open April 24th. This isn't just a release date, it's a potential gold mine. Look, this isn't just about a gaming console, it's about being smarter with your tech choices. The Switch 2 isn't just plastic and circuits, it's a passport to countless hours of entertainment, a social hub, a creative outlet, even a potential side hustle. That's the beauty of tech that's built to last, to entertain, to connect. That's the Switch 2. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. What do we know about this thing? Well, the rumor mill has been working overtime, and from what we've seen, it's going to be a beast. We're talking a bigger, more vibrant OLED screen, blazing fast load times thanks to a custom chip, and whispers of DLSS support, potentially bringing 4K gaming to a Nintendo console for the first time ever. Let's be real, this isn't just a minor refresh. They're not just keeping up with the competition, they're setting a new standard. The longer you wait, the higher the price you'll pay. Let's talk strategy. Is the Switch 2 worth throwing down your hard-earned cash for on day one? Early adoption isn't just about bragging rights, though, let's be honest, that's a nice perk. It's about positioning yourself at the forefront of a tech wave. Think about it. You get first dibs on limited edition drops, you become the go-to gamer in your crew, you build up a library of games before everyone else. And then there's the resale value. With a console this anticipated, let's just say being early has its advantages. But hold on, before you smash that pre-order button, let's get real for a second. The Switch 2 is designed to enhance your downtime, to connect you with friends and family, to fuel your creativity. Here's the thing, savvy tech users don't just consume, they leverage. Pre-ordering the Switch 2, that's a decision. But what you do with it? That's where the real strategy comes in. Imagine this, you snag a Switch 2 early, explore its features, maybe even master a game or two. You start streaming your gameplay, building a community, creating content, turning your passion into a side hustle. Suddenly that console isn't just a console, it's a potential revenue stream. Paul Rudd didn't just stumble into the world of the Switch 2 by accident, he saw the potential, he saw the fun. And now, so have you. The question is, what are you going to do with this information? Because on April 24th, the Switch 2 begins its journey. If you're serious about making smarter tech choices, living a richer life, and maybe even building a little wealth along the way, hit that subscribe button. Next week we're diving deep into the secret features Nintendo hasn't even announced yet, including one that could change the way you game forever. You do not want to miss it.